Okay, I get this mower and which cannot start, so I want to clean the carb and see if it works. So basically there are two screws here. I think at the bottom of here. I think we can have to take off this screw, this bolt. Inside you see it's very dirty. I think it's already clogged. So you see here. So I will use some carb cleaner and try to clean it up. I bought this from Home Deposit. It's about $5. First I will clean the carb, the bowl. Let's see. Whoa, you see, a lot of dirty stuff. Next I will clean the bolt. Not just try to tighten this. I will take this pin off. 把这个卡针给它打开。And take this part off. You can see the inside. Just try to clean it everywhere. Okay, I end up take the carb out and take the inside this part. Take this part out and clean it. You see the hole, the little hole? So you can see it. Let me see if we can. Anyway, inside this hole has to be cleaned. So I cleaned it up and I will put it back. Hopefully it works. Okay, I just cleaned the carb and I will try to test it. Yes, it seems it works. So that's it. This is how to fix this motor